In this video, we listed the 5 best CNC router machine on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. TWOTREES CNC Router Machine. The TTC3018S is a new smart device originating from mainland China, designed for CNC applications. Certified with CE, this CNC router and milling cutting machine offers versatile features such as wood routing, GRBL control, and mini laser engraving capabilities. With a model number of TTC3018S, this CNC device is equipped with advanced features for precision cutting and engraving on materials like acrylic, PCB, PVC, and metal. Ideal for various manufacturing and DIY projects, the TTC3018S combines CNC functionality with laser engraving technology, making it a comprehensive tool for creative and professional applications. Number 2. 2200W CNC Router. The LibGAC 2200W CNC router models 3040, 6040, and 6090 offer precise metal engraving and milling capabilities with linear guideway steel carving. These machines are suitable for producing a variety of items such as name badges, signs, plaques, awards, and industrial parts. Whether you are a startup, model enthusiast, or looking to expand your existing operations, the CNC 3040, 6040, 6090 can meet your needs. With the ability to upgrade for a rotational axis, these CNC routers provide versatility and efficiency. The models come in different configurations with varying axis options and interface types. Featuring high-quality materials like steel racks and aluminum alloy tables, these machines offer engraving areas and dimensions suitable for various projects. Equipped with ball screws, VFD water cooling spindles, and stepper motors, these CNC routers ensure precision, speed, and accuracy in engraving. The LibGAC CNC routers are compatible with software like Mach 3, EMC2, and CAM, making them versatile tools for different applications. Number 3. 2 Spindles CNC Router. The LibGAC 2 Spindles CNC Router Machine 6090 offers precise metal engraving and drilling capabilities with its linear guide rail system. This CNC router is designed for a variety of applications such as industrial prototyping, model making, PCB fabrication, signage, artwork, and more. With a sturdy steel rack, aluminum alloy table, and high-quality components like ball screws and VFD water cooling spindles, this machine ensures accuracy and efficiency in engraving work. The CNC 6090 features a spacious engraving area, a Z-axis stroke of 120 mm, and a maximum operating speed of 4,000 mm per minute. It comes with options for different spindle configurations and axis types, providing flexibility for various projects. Compatible with software like Mach 3, this CNC router offers simple operation and installation. The machine also comes with a 1-year warranty directly from the factory, ensuring reliability and support. With its robust construction and advanced features, the LibGAC CNC Router Machine 6090 is a versatile tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 4. AnoleX CNC Router. The AnoleX 3030 Evo Pro CNC Router offers upgraded features for enhanced performance and precision. With an improved Y-axis base featuring double linear guide rails and a 300 mm stroke, along with a powerful NEMA 17 stepper motor providing increased torque, this machine allows for faster cutting times and the ability to work with harder materials beyond wood. The XYZ axis boasts dual linear guide rails and T8 lead screws, ensuring stability and accuracy while reducing errors caused by vibrations. Equipped with essential functions like limit switches, emergency stop switch, Z-probe, and ER11-1/8-inch chuck, the 3030 Evo Pro supports GRBL software for seamless operation across various platforms. Easy assembly, supported by pre-assembled main parts and clear cable management, is complemented by a user manual and assembly video for straightforward setup. Backed by a responsive customer support team addressing queries within 24 hours, the AnoleX 3030 Evo Pro is a reliable desktop CNC router suitable for a range of materials and applications. Number 5. CNC 6090 Wood Router. The AnoleX CNC machines, available in various models such as 300 by 200, 300 by 400, 600 by 400, and 600 by 900 mm, offer precision and versatility for a range of applications. Equipped with a Mach 3 controller, these machines feature spindle powers ranging from 800W to 2200W and collet options of ER11 for 800W and 1500W spindles and ER20 for the 2200W spindle. Utilizing ball screws for smooth operation, these CNC routers come with tool auto-checking and limit switch functionalities for enhanced safety and efficiency. The machines feature a USB interface for convenient connectivity and support a maximum operating speed of 4000 mm per minute with engraving speeds ranging from 300 to 3000 mm per minute. With a repeat positioning accuracy of 0.03 mm, these machines ensure precise and consistent results. The stepper motor and drive system, comprising two-phase hybrid stepping motor 57BYGH 56-4011YD and 8 segments drive, offer reliable performance. Compatible with software like Mach 3, Type 3, ArtCAM, and others, these AnoleX machines provide flexibility and ease of use for a variety of projects. Additionally, backed by CE certification and positive customer reviews, these CNC routers from AnoleX CNC are a reliable choice for hobbyists and professionals alike.